Hello there, I hope you're doing well and welcome to the January update of my project pan. These are makeup products I want to finish and use up, and I do an update on them every month. It looks much emptier than before because I took the big palettes out. I did quite a few updates on them. Let's open and see the progress I did this month. If you have watched my project pans before, you know I'm most excited about powder products because there you can see the most visible results and progress. The first one we have here is a Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighter in Lightning Dust Fire Crystal. I mentioned in my previous videos before, the one I actually wanted to get was Mint Money Hustler Baby. I think that one will suit my skin tone better. It's like a warmer champagne gold kind of color, but that one was sold out, so I picked this one. I picked the Lightning Dust one, which is like a beige pinkish color. It's more on the cool tone side. I made a lot of progress on this side where I already hit pan on it. I'm really happy to see the pan expand bigger and bigger. It will soon reach this area, which makes me really excited. And this month I also used this side quite a lot. For some reason my skin got a lot more pale than the last months, so I get to use the kind of really white highlighter a lot this month. I like to put it on my nose. It makes me very happy to see progress on this highlighter because I really like Fenty Beauty. I like this highlighter. If I use this up, I might try out the new Killawatt shade. Also, I really like this packaging. I don't know if you can tell, but there's like a coating outside the white plastic and there's like a little bit purple shimmers in it. Like if you actually tilt and look at it closely, you can see like purple shimmers. That's really cute. Next we have the Canmake Marshmallow face powder. This is a very good face powder. It has some coverage. It really blurs, smooths and mattifies like my makeup. I really like this powder. Canmake came out with a new packaging for their products every once in a while. The packaging of the powders have been updated to like a more flat shape, and I want to finish this up so I can use the other one. So I can buy the other one. I don't have one yet. This one is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I like this bronzer a lot. It smells so good. It's so smooth and like give you like a satin finish, not exactly shimmery, but you get like a luminous bronze when you wear this. I just like to take a big brush and swirl it around, and the pan is also expanding on this one. Let me know if you have any makeup products in common with me and if you like these products. My Benefit Hoola bronzer is still here. I feel like I'm not using this as much anymore. I just prefer the Physicians Formula bronzer more, or just like not wearing bronzer lately. I remember this used to be the thing, like the beauty community in 2016, everyone talked about Benefit Cosmetics, their brow products, their cheek products, their blushes, their bronzer, but the brand really fell off. And you guys know, this blush really hates me. I actually used the micellar water and wiped the packaging. It can't help much. There's still a lot of dirt sticking on it that I can't get rid of. And I used this blush quite many times again this month, still no signs of hitting pan soon. Sorry, I don't know how many months this will take. This is a Canmake Glow Fleur Cheek Blush in the shade 08. They come out with a new type of blush called like blend type. There's like matte and shimmer in it, and you can swirl around to get the finish all together for a more natural satin look. I really like this blush, but I haven't used it in the last 1 or 2 months. It's just that I got the new flower nose blushes, and you guys know they're super pretty, and I find that if I buy new makeup, I tend to like neglect my old makeup products. The more you have, the less you use, right? So I really need to like love my old products more. This is a 3CE eyeshadow palette in Overtake. Speaking of 3CE, I was actually thinking of picking up one more palette from them. I'm not interested in the new long bars. I just like their like non-pan eyeshadow palettes. Have you tried 3CE before, and do you like their eyeshadow palettes? This is Overtake. I love these shimmery mattes and shimmers, pure shimmers, glitters. They are all such pretty shades, and the thing is that the undertone can look really different depending on your skin tone. Like this shade here is a brown color, but it looks a little more purple on me when I wear it, and this shade that looks like a warm orange one actually tends to look more pink and brown on me. So depending on skin tone, the colors can really look more different. It can look more brown, more orange, more pink, more purple. It's a very unique palette. It's not like just a brown neutral one. There's some colors into the neutral shades which I really like. This one here is my favorite. You know I like these sparkly shades. Oh, so pretty. I did use it a few times, but there's still no sign of like hitting pan. I like this shade a lot, and there's a dent in it. I'm not sure you're able to see, but I hope to hit pan in the middle of this one. This is a Dior Lip Maximizer in the original 001 shade. They updated their packaging, and now there's like a Dior logo on the corner of it. This is my mom's holy grail makeup product. She doesn't even wear makeup, but she always has this Dior lip plumper and the Chanel brow pencil with her. No matter like, she always restocks these up. She have like 3 or 4 of the brow pencil, and she have like 2 or 3 of these lip plumpers. I remember as a kid, my mom would put these on, and she would always smile in the mirror, and then she would let me try it, and she tell me this would taste like mint or like smell like mint or feel really tingly, and I would put it on and I feel, oh, it's so spicy when I was a kid. So every time I use this, I think of my mom. I used it a few times this month, and there's not much progress to see. You can tell it's like half empty. This is a small eyeshadow quad from a Japanese drugstore brand called EXO. This is the shade SR11. It looks like this. This is quite a little pretty quad. My friend bought it for me from Japan as a little gift. And on Instagram, if you look at like Japanese girls who does like makeup of the day posts, they like take out the products they used for the day. They don't post their face, but they take a picture of the products they used and then describe all the products and why they like them. And it's very cute. And they would often feature like EXO eyeshadow quads in their posts. It makes me happy to see like if people are posting stuff that I also have in common. I have had this for like years, but I started using it first last year. There's no date on it. I don't know when this will turn bad, but I just feel like I want to hit pan on one of these because it feels satisfying to hit pan in these because those Instagram posts have pan in these. So I'm just gonna hit pan because why not? Wish me good luck. This looks like there's a lot of products inside. Have you tried Japanese drugstore makeup products before? And these are the lipsticks that I bought when I started wearing makeup, and I regret these decisions. Back then the makeup trend is just really weird looking bright lip colors. I used this few times this month, but you can't really see any progress on them. Still look the same. This is all that's in it. For this one, I just don't find occasions to use this. There's much left. Damn, that's a lot to go. It's a long way to go, but this costs a lot, so I need to finish these 2 lipsticks up. As for the 3 concealers in my project pan, I use these 2 a lot. You can see them in my videos. For the Maybelline one in the shade Sand, I haven't been using it. As you can tell, my skin got lighter, and this one is like too dark for me as of now. I will get back to it in a few months when I get darker again. The Nars one has such crappy packaging. I've been using these 2 a lot. I really like these 2 concealers. They're super creamy, they're highly pigmented. I love to use them, but I don't think I will reach the end anytime soon. Like when I take out the wand, I don't feel like I'm reaching the end of the product and there's nothing on it anymore. It still feels the same all the time. That was all the progress I made for my project pan. There's other lippies inside, but I didn't really use them, like the nude sticks. I really do want to finish them up. It's just that lip crayons and this packaging isn't like very appealing to me. Like right now I have so pretty flower nose lip products that I bought, and I feel like I've been using them all the time. Like if I'm wearing colorful makeup, then I'll wear something to match with my look. If I'm wearing light or no makeup, I just pick the prettiest lip products in my collection, the flower nose cloud lip creams or the Dior Lip Plumper, just to have the nostalgia feeling of my mom giving me the lip gloss. I'm not good at like using up other lip products and using old products I have. Products with pretty packaging really draws me towards them, and I will just forget my old products. It's a bad habit, I know. I have too much lip products to go through. And that's it for this video. This is a project pan update for January 2023. Let me know which products are on your project pan, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!